Group 3 presents Sympathetic Girl. Characters: Carmela, the younger, Jenny as the stepmother of Carmela, Agos, the father of Carmela, Dayan, stepsister of Carmela, yours truly, and Janelle as the narrator, Nina, the scriptwriter. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Carmela, was the victim of abusing by her stepmother. One day, the father went to his work, while her stepmom, Dayan, and Carmela left from their house. While Carmela is sweeping the floor, her stepmom gets near to her and make her push the fell on the floor.
Mato, Mom.
After an hour, Carmela accidentally broke the glass.
Sige, paturo patalibon mo. Pamaday na, Carmen, padaw ka pala.
When Carmela was gone, her stepmom really became kind. Then her father brought her back to their home.
Francis,